Hello everyone. What I have here is a FAB. It is of the Assa Abloy group. Good look at it. I'm going to be picking it upside down. That is, if I can pick it. All right. Yeah, I don't have a key to this one, so I don't know what the bitting is like in this thing. It is probably a tricky one. Got this. Alright, we do have a circlip on the back. Try not to lock it up. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. All right, man.
Doing all right?
So when's your last day?
The 6th.
So that's what, Sunday?
I think it's a Tuesday.
Okay. So you've got about another week?
Yeah, just the end of the week in 2 days.
All right, man. I'll talk to you before you leave.
Take it easy. All right. These appear, yeah, they appear to be smooth. All right, all 5 key pins are standard. And I'm expecting standard pins up top. Alright, first one's standard. Second one's a spool. They're just very, very shallow spools. Oh, hold on, let me get that out of the floor. Oh, I see it. Okay. All the springs are the same. Yeah, I've never seen one of these, but it's got very, very, very tight tolerances. There's the pins. Yeah, I didn't see anything going on in the core either, but yep, there's the FAB or FAB. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day. Sorry my videos have slowed down lately. I'm just working 2 jobs. I really haven't had a chance to pick anything. Plan to get back in the swing of things starting on March 6th, though. That's when this job officially ends, and I'll just be working the locksmithing job full-time, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So yeah, I'll just have to find a quiet place in the house to do my picking while my wife's home, because I won't have the luxury of picking on the night shift anymore, or in the mornings when I get home when the house is empty. So I'll figure something out. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.